4 tips for becoming more photogenic. Being photogenic may seem like something you're just born with. Either you have it or you don't, but that's simply not the case. There are certain techniques that can help you be more camera friendly. Here are just a few tips for becoming more photogenic. An easy place to start becoming more photogenic is right in front of the mirror. Simply examine yourself making different facial expressions, turning from side to side. You can also grab a smartphone and take a few selfies as you change expressions. This way, you can see how each will actually look in photos while getting comfortable with posing in front of the camera. You can also ask a friend to snap a few shots for you. As you're posing, you'll want to test out a serious expression, a smile, a playful laugh, and any other shots you'll likely use in real time. Understanding which looks suit you best is essential for becoming more photogenic. Review your selfies when you're finished. Another simple way to becoming more photogenic is to ensure you select outfits that flatter your figure and bring out your best facial features. You'll want to wear something that pairs well with your hair and skin tone too. If an outfit hugs your curves too tightly, it's too low cut, or otherwise doesn't fit as it should, this will be accentuated in the final shots. The same goes for clothes that don't mesh well with your natural palette. You'll want to sport a style that draws the eye to your best features. You can opt to visit a makeup artist and hairstylist to get some professional tips for becoming more photogenic, take some notes from style guides online, or simply practice on your own until you've got it pat down. Try not to get frustrated though. If a look on a model in a magazine doesn't come out just right the first time around, these models likely have had professional guidance and computer-enhanced finishing touches. When considering other ways to becoming more photogenic with your makeup, you'll want to apply it so that you're highlighting your favorite assets and downplaying the rest. Want to slim down the bridge of your nose or accentuate your cheekbones? Some contouring could do the trick. How about playing up your long lashes or full pout? Select products that will do just that. You can practice becoming more photogenic by booking a shoot with a professional photographer. Someone who does this for a living will be able to offer some invaluable insight. When you're at the shoot, pay attention to how the photographer tells you to stand, tilt your head, bring your shoulders forward, etc. These slight tweaks can really make a big difference. Becoming more photogenic will help you stand apart from the competition. Models who look good and know how to pose are those who get booked most often. Clients want to work with those who can nail the look they're going for, often in order to sell a product or service. Being photogenic doesn't just involve your outward appearance, but the ability to flaunt what you've got. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.